If it continues, one of two things happen. You're going to be broke or you're going to end up in prison. So we're here on a violation and he wants me to take it off.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
So I have Mr. Trevor Wilson on docket today first. He has a beat.
Judge, can I come around, please?
Sure.
Page 29.
Come up, Trevor Wilson.
I couldn't get it on the email, but right here, this is going to be the exclusion zone. These points are entering it right here.
So Judge, it's a 300, it's a large exclusion zone. And as you can see, it's a very busy area. He lives in this area. So I mean, it's literally him just driving. And the place that he was excluded from was a business that's in that area. He's really kind of not nowhere near it. He's just on the street, passing it. I'll be honest, I probably wouldn't even be aware that that was within the zone.
It's 1,000 feet.
Yes, I could put in your studio. I think that's in my head.
So where does he live in relation to the place? Just you talk with her. I don't want to know.
Less than half a mile.
So what distance, how many feet? Because half a mile is,
Before we address that, Judge, my client would like to have an ink marker taken off right now. He has a new job, it's interfering with his, it requires some physical demand, it's interfering with his.
so we're here on a violation and he wants me to take it off.
But considering the violation,
I guess state, if you don't mind, reach out to the complaining witness, see if there have been any issues.
Yes, Judge.
I don't know if I'm ready to do it yet. I mean, you've got violations, and so violations don't make us happy, Mr. Wilson. You know, you're lucky whether you're not going to jail or not. That's where we're at now, not rewarding you with taking a monitor off. You're supposed to comply and not violate conditions, right? So I don't know where you live. What I'd like to know is where you live in relation to Vape City. So if you can pinpoint it on the map where he lives versus this, it'd be great, you know, because
sorry.
it's okay.
When I was appointed to this, I was online and my memory might be failing me, but I feel like I heard the state say that she doesn't even work there anymore whenever he was originally arraigned. So if they can confirm that too.
I don't know. I mean, they can.
We'll confirm that as well. Yes, Judge.
Yeah.
So we'll
You
get
want
down and come back.
Okay, sure.
Real quick, yesterday I had Mr. Daryl Myers. I have the search warrant. Well, they told me I have the search warrant. I can't see the portal right
Yes,
now,
Judge. It's been
but-
uploaded and
okay.
shared, the search warrant.
So,
Are we good?
yeah, I mean, with the court, his felony is set at the end of January. It will be wrapped up. He's doing his TRAS in anticipation of that first week of January. They'll be asking the judge for a resolution. I would be asking the court to just, if we can wait till just right after that.
I mean, I think with the proper, you know, let's set it for trial in February. If he's not done in January, then I'm going to put him to trial. But I mean, I can't. It's 200 days.
Understood.
You know, so February 11th or 25th.
We can do that.
Whatever day you want, and then if it's resolved by then, it's resolved by then. If not, then, you know,
Sounds good?
Okay.
Thank you,
for
Judge.
sure. Yes, ma'am. Morning, Mr. Brown. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 180 days in jail to be probated for 12 months. You need to understand that even though they are reducing this to a first, that's still 2 DWIs now on your record. What happens on the next one? What happens?
I go to prison. I go to jail.
Not jail.
Prison.
Right. Minimum of 2 years, a maximum of 10 years in prison. And I'm going to tell you now, If an officer pulls you over, the only thing they look at is your record and how you look. You got that smell, even the funkiest smell, don't matter. You understand? So if I were you, I would never get in a car, even if you've had a sip of alcohol, because it's a humongous risk, financial as well, because this is not going to be cheap for you. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, there's no turning back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
As part of this agreement, you will do a DWI repeat offender education program. Two victim impact panels.
Yes, sir.
You will also do what's called a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you may need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. They could say, supportive outpatient treatment. It may say intensive outpatient treatment, whatever it is. You must fulfill those conditions as well. No breath test refusal. So if you're pulled over in a car and an officer asks you to submit a breath sample, you must do it. No drugs, alcohol, guardian interlock. Do you have any children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One of the things is 40 hours of community service. I think that probably a parenting class would be better than just mindless work. If you guys are okay with it.
Yes.
So is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above in this case?
True. Yes, sir.
Okay. So a couple things. Don't drink alcohol. If you don't have a license, don't drive.
Yes, sir.
You are now on this probation and we expect you to fulfill it. If you don't, there are serious, serious consequences.
Yes, sir.
One of the other things is that there is a surcharge on your license that you're going to be required to pay. It's a $4,500 surcharge. You will get 2 years to pay it, but you have to do it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
DWI is big business in Harris County, and it will actually in Texas. I tell you, if it continues, one of two things happen. You're going to be broke or you're going to end up in prison.
Yes, sir.
One button on your phone, $50, wherever you want to go. You know what I mean? I hope that you get it now before it becomes too late. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yeah, the year. I have to suspend your license. I'm going to do it for a year. Just if you do well throughout the probation, come back and we can talk about a license. But you got to be in compliance, do well, and above all, just don't drink.
Yes, sir.
All right? Okay. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.